Philadelphia Eagles just wrapped up week 1 of training camp. How did our starting quarterback Jalen Hurts perform? Let's go over the news and the numbers next. Hey yo, what's up everybody? This is Eagles Real Talk. I'm your boy Bry Wolf. If you haven't done it already and you're new to the channel, please subscribe by hitting the button below and also like and comment on this video. Thank you. The Philadelphia Eagles just wrapped up week 1, so they have their off day today on Sunday, so I thought it'd be the perfect day to kind of go over the news and some of the numbers out of camp so far from Jalen Hurts. So as of now, he is 47 for 67. So that gives him a completion percentage of about 70%, which isn't too bad. But he has missed, I guess, a few wide open throws that he would like to have back. And even though he's been about 70% throwing the ball so far, he has had some inaccurate times when he's had to move out of the pocket. So we'll look to see if he can develop that consistency, that footwork that Nick Sirianni was talking about. Nick Sirianni was very, very specific about working on his footwork and mechanics while throwing the ball. So, this is week 1. Let's see if he can develop that in week 2, week 3, week 4, going into, the preseason and the regular season games that he's already throwing, consistent passes in practice. Hurts is still going through that process that early quarterbacks tend to do of whether to run or pass. I'm also really confident that Nick Sirianni will help Hurts in this area develop. He's talked about not changing his mechanics throwing the ball, but working on his mechanics while he runs with the ball and throws. One thing I'm particularly excited about is to see Hurts on the ground this year. I know a lot of people get apprehensive about that because we don't want to see our starting quarterback go down hurt. But the fact of the matter is he's a football player. He wants to get in there. He wants to get gritty. If there's a time he has to run, he's going to put his head down and go for it. You know what I mean? He has the vision and he has the overall skill to slide, which is good. Vic, he was one of my favorite. Actually, he is my favorite player of all time. And that's one thing he could never do is slide. And I know us as Philadelphia Eagles fans would always yell, slide, slide, so he doesn't take a big hit. I noticed while watching tape of Hurts is he has a nice slide. He has a nice baseball slide. Kind of reminds me of Russell Wilson a little bit, how he's able to just get down real quick, protect himself, not get hurt. So that's something that I am really excited to see this year because I think, honestly, Hurts can, if not be the #1 running quarterback as far as yards this year, be top 3 at least, behind Lamar and, the top dogs at who have been there over the past few years. I think he's going to be right in that range this year. So if anything, top 5. So let's see what he can do on the ground. I know we're all excited for him to get going in the air as far as passing the ball to Devontae and, seeing if Jalen Reagor is going to be getting off this year. But at the same time, he can run, man. This guy, he's ready to run and he's ready to put the team on his back if need be. So let's see what he can do. He's obviously dynamic on the ground and he's fully capable of making passes from the pocket. One thing he has to work on is when the pocket collapses, he's definitely got to find a receiver. He's definitely got to have that eternal clock ticking at all times because he's got to know when to get rid of that ball. And I think over time he is going to develop that. Overall, Jalen Hurts just has to get consistent. I think he's got all the tools. I think his head is where it's supposed to be as far as leading a team. I think he can definitely get the job done here in Philadelphia, but his consistency at being accurate inside the pocket when it's collapsing and getting crazy in there, I think that is going to be whether he has a great season or just a good season. But overall, from everything that I've gathered, I'm going to give Hurts a B-. I was going to go with a B, but Hurts himself, I feel like he would be harder on himself, so I'm going to be harder on him as well and have, high expectations as far as his consistency goes. So once he raises that, maybe he'll get a B+ and he'll get to that A range, but as of right now, I'm going to go with a solid B-. Well, that's all I got today on Jalen Hurts. We'll look to see if he makes improvements on his consistency and just everything overall this next week, week 2. Thank you for joining me. My name is Bry Wolf. Please subscribe. I'm looking to grow this channel and to keep knocking out videos for you guys, a whole bunch of creative content. So please like, subscribe, leave a comment or two, and I'll catch you next time. Fly Eagles fly. Keep it real.